I asked Coach Beiser about his quarterback, it all made sense.
He's like having a coach on the field. He's really, really intelligent. He's worked really hard in the offseason. He had a shoulder issue, and he got that taken care of, and he rehabbed that, and he's done a great job for us. And he's had to, because he's got guys that are pushing him too. The guys that are behind him they're not slacking off. They're coming for his job. So every day we let him know you got to come to compete every day, and I think he's doing that. But his leadership and his knowledge of being able to run the offense, I think it's really, really good.
Feel that, baby? Yeah, I feel it too. I'm so glad we could spend this time together. See, I'm not as crazy as you thought I was. I'm the American dream.
Bowers on the run, looks over, fires across the middle, has Allen in the end zone. Touchdown, Mohigan. He's going to keep it himself. Maddox Bowers will sashay into the end zone for the touchdown. 6-yard touchdown run by Maddox Bowers. There's the speed he was talking about in the offseason.
It all started with my father. I must have got my pimpin' jeans from him. The way he left my mama, I'm a rolling stone just like him. Word to Johnny Drama, keep my entourage with me. Baby, I make a promise, there ain't nobody as promised. Me, I'm as calm as the breeze. I'm the bee's knees, his legs, and his arms. I'm a superstar, girl, I'm ready for you, mama. Why you think the only thing I got on is my pajamas? So bad, I'm so good.
Takes the handoff, Bowers drops back to throw. He heaves it downfield, looking for Keir. Middle of the field, jump ball. Keir comes down with it. Inside the 25, down around the 20-yard line. Another big pass play for the Mohigans, and here they come quickly to the line of scrimmage. Goes the pocket out the right, steps up, floats it downfield. He's got a wide open Ferris at the 10. He makes the catch. Ferris into the end zone. Touchdown. Mohigans, 35-yard touchdown pass. Bowers to Ferris. And the Mohigans are on the board.
This time, Bowers rolls to his right, lost the ball down the field, and the catch is made. Yeah, that's their tight end. He's outstanding. That was a really good catch. Big pickup for the Mohigans of 31 yards. Throws the ball down the field, and Ferris with an excellent acrobatic catch, runs up the field, finally brought down. 35-yard catch and run by the Mohigans.
I'm so bad, I'm so good that I'm so bad. I guarantee I'll be the greatest thing you ever had. 'Cause you ain't never met nobody like me. 2010 light years ahead of you.
This is the most athletic I've been since I've been up here on varsity. I feel like we're stronger than we ever have been. I feel like we're faster than we ever have been. So the things you need to win football games, bigger, stronger, faster, I feel like we check all those boxes.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's Club National, underground, thunderbounds, and I stomp the ground. Like a million elephants, a silverback orangutan, you can't stop a train. Who wants some, don't come unprepared, I'll be there. But when I leave there, better be a household name. Weatherman telling us it ain't gon' rain. So now we sit in a drop top soaking wet. Innocent fruit, try not to sweat. Hit somersaults without the net. But this be the year that we won't forget. 1999. I don't wanna be anything go. You would wanna be long as you know consequences are given for living the fences. Too high to jump the jail. Too low to dig, I might have to tail. Hot, get a life, now they gon' sell. Then I might catch you a spell.
Looking to throw, floats it downfield. Powell wide open at the 20. Bobby Powell into the end zone. Touchdown Mohigan. 49-yard touchdown connection, and Morgantown finally gets the scoreboard. Bowers takes the snap. Bowers looking. He's wide open. Touchdown Morgantown.
Bowers will drop back once again. Look right, fired deep. Has a man. Touchdown Bears. Now the Mohigans are going to go up 20-0 over John Marshall.
Bowers floating it down the field to a wide open Drew Ferris, and Morgantown extends the lead.
Make a man down out of dusty cold. Reckon number 4, but we on the road. Hold up, slow up, stop, control like Janet. Plan it, stay on it, it's only a movie like Bowers.
Pass caught by Ferris at the 35-yard line, breaks free, gets to the 40, the 45, the 50, and then hit along the sidelines by Thornton.
Come to ATM when you bet not high, 'cause it doesn't matter.
The end zone, looking for Ferris, he has him.